code indie, no cap. Gonna break down hooks in a React rap. Forget the classes, we moving clean. Just functions now, you know what I mean. Used to be classes holding all the state, but that syntax heavy on the plate. React 16.8.8 came with a gift. Now we got hooks, gave the game a lift. They're just functions, simple and pure. Let functional components do a whole lot more. No more this, no life cycle stress. Hooks got that clean code finesse. We hooked on hooks in React we trust. Write less code, no class, just us. Manage state, run effects too. All inside functions, that's brand new. useState, useEffect, that's the way. Custom logic, just a hook away. React so clean, dev vibes stay true. Hooks make it easier for me and you. First up, useState, holding that value. Click a button, now the count comes through. Now that's state in a single row. Next up, useEffect, handle side things like API calls or event pings. Run it once or run it when something brings. Use context taps into global state. No props drilling, now ain't that great. useRef for DOM or a silent store. Keeps data that don't cause a render war. Need speed, use memo saves that cost. Memo-wise value so nothing's lost. Or if a function gets called too much, use callback, got the gentle touch. Mix and match, build your own. Custom hooks got that reusable tone. Extract logic, keep it tight. One hook, many components, right? We hooked on hooks in React we trust. Write less code, no class, just us. Manage state, run effects too. All inside functions, that's brand new. React so smooth, like it's on rails. Hooks be the wind in our front end sales. Dev life clean, no extra fuss. Hooks made React a gift to us. That's hooks explained, no confusion. Clean code wins, that's the conclusion. From useState to context deep, React hooks got your UI sleek.